Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create slide layout designs in PowerPoint. We're going to learn how to create a simple slide design like this. And next one, we're going to create a text tables with some picture. Third one, we're going to create some smart art along with some designs. Fourth one, some pictures with option buttons. Fifth one, we're going to create a pictures with chart title. Let's go and learn how to create this in PowerPoint. Let's click on new slide. We'll take a blank slide. We'll go to insert, shapes, rectangle, and we'll draw a rectangle like this. We'll go to shape outline, no outline, and we'll take a format, fill, solid fill. We'll take a this orange color. We'll put a gradient fill. And this one will take a black color. And we'll right click. We'll go to layout and we'll select title and content slide. We'll fit into this. We'll select the Franklin Gothic Heavy. We'll put slide 1. Here we'll type the 4 bullet points. So our slide will copy this, Control V, will reduce slightly this much, and we'll put at the bottom. So we have created a simple slide like this. Now let's duplicate this same slide. Duplicate. We'll delete this content. We'll insert 2 lines. Go to insert, shapes, take a draw lines. We'll just drag it from here. We'll go to line. We'll increase the width. And we'll modify we'll put a width 3 points. Color will give black color. And we'll slightly adjust like this. And select Control D and copy and paste it like this. So we got another new design. Let's go to right click, layout. Now we'll take this 2 content layout. So in one layout we're going to insert a table. There is option called insert table. We'll click on insert table. We'll put 3 rows and 3 columns. So we got a design like this. If required, we can go to format, table design, and we can give a something different design. We'll take a simple design like this, and we can put column title 1, title 3, and we can increase the size, home, and we can center it, and we can fill up the other columns. Here we can go to add text. We'll go to a picture, we can choose any of the picture. For example, you can choose a picture like this, insert, and we can put it like this. So we got a slide with the table and a picture. So our title slide looks like this. Let's duplicate the slide again. Duplicate. We'll delete these contents. Let's change this color. Delete this. Copy. Control D. Minimize it. Now let's add the smart art. Let's choose maybe a picture like this, and we'll change the colors. We can put a multiple colors. This one, we can add some contents. Here we can insert some picture. Okay, our slide looks like this. We can add any contents over here, and our picture will look like this. We created the third slide. Let's move on to next slide. Okay, again let's duplicate the slide again. Let's delete the contents. This time we'll add picture here. We can put it here. And we'll here insert a chart. Let's take a simple chart, this one. If we wanted, we can create later whatever design we wanted. Chart design, we can choose something, this back dark color. We can drag it like this. So we added the chart title with some picture over there. So we created the fourth slide and we come to an end. So this is the way we can use the slide designs to create as per our requirement. I have created few more slides which can be used for our presentations. Thank you, friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.